Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini and BMW Specialist. I want to show you something. This is how not to clean a DPF. So this is a 2015 1.6 Mini Cooper D, a Countryman for all four. The customer had bought the car only a few months ago and it went back because the DPF was blocked. Apparently the seller cleaned the DPF and it came in running like this. If you look carefully, there's two pipes. One is after the DPF, which is here, and one is before. So the differential pressure sensor measures the pressure before and after. And if this is blocked, you're going to get a lot of pressure out of this. This is the catalytic converter. And what these Muppets had done in this particular scenario is started to chisel out what they thought was soot, and what actually was the CAT. So that's now scrap and we need to find a replacement. So thanks for watching. We are based in the West Midlands and we specialise in Minis and BMWs, and if we can help you in any way, please give us a call on the number below.